I have the earthworm castings in the tea bag, and like you saw before, and now it is bubbling. Now you can just make the tea, but I prefer the bubbling because that aerates the mixture and adds oxygen, which is very helpful for the soil. So I think the objective is to make sure the bubbles are all around, but this is what the bubbler looks like. So it's much tinier than the stone I showed you, but very effective. And now we can take a cup of this, put it in my 2-gallon sprinkler, and fertilize. Now, you're not really, like I said, you're not fertilizing the plant as much as you're enhancing the soil. So there you go. Now, if you want to also fertilize for the plant, you can put your fertilizer right in here. I don't like to put it in with the other because it stinks. So put it in the unit that you're going to fertilize with.